A vibrating steering wheel can be uncomfortable, distracting, and a sign that something in your car needs attention. Fortunately, there are several simple ways to identify the cause and fix the problem, restoring a smooth and safe driving experience. First, check your tire pressure and make sure it matches the recommended level for your car. If the tire weight is not evenly balanced, the wheel can spin unevenly, causing vibrations in the steering wheel. Getting your tires balanced by a technician or at a tire shop often eliminates this problem instantly. Another common problem is uneven tire wear. It can happen if your wheels are not properly aligned, your tires have too much or too little air, or your suspension parts are worn. Uneven wear creates rough patches on the rubber that hit the road differently and cause shaking. Simply replacing the tire and having the alignment corrected can make your steering smooth again. Rotating your tires also helps them wear evenly and keeps your car running smoothly. To do this, slightly loosen the lug nuts on all four wheels. Lift the car safely with a jack and place jack stands underneath. Move the tires according to your car type front to back or crisscross and put them back in place. Finally, lower the car and fully tighten the lug nuts, then check the tire pressure. Doing this will improve your car's handling and make your drive safer. If the vibration happens mainly when braking, the problem is likely warped brake rotors. Over time, heat and friction can cause brake rotors to lose their smooth, even surface, and when the brake pads grip an uneven rotor, the shaking is felt strongly in the steering wheel. Replacing or resurfacing the rotors usually fixes this completely. Another possible cause is a bent wheel rim, which can happen after hitting a pothole, speed bump, or curb. Even a slightly bent rim creates an uneven rotation, which directly causes steering wheel vibration. A tire shop can repair minor bends, but severe damage may require replacing the rim. If you notice vibration at all speeds, not just high speeds, it may also be worth inspecting the wheel bearings. Faulty or worn wheel bearings prevent your wheels from spinning smoothly, creating grinding noises, vibration, and sometimes pulling to one side. Replacing wheel bearings is a more advanced repair, but it is essential for safe driving. Loose or damaged lug nuts can make your steering wheel shake because the wheel is not held tightly in place. The good news is this is an easy fix. Just use a lug wrench to tighten all the nuts evenly to the amount recommended for your car. By following these steps and keeping up with regular maintenance, you can restore a smooth, stable, and comfortable driving experience.